43-36 in favor of Team Vultures. Seresa binigay kay Castro. Castro pumukul ng 3. Wala pa rin. Ito ang Barbero. Corinas. Arenas. Isil kay Castro. Binigay kay Rexon. Rexon sa balsa. Bumagay sa pader. Kasi number 9. Drawing Hamilton. Offensive foul for personal foul. That's his personal foul. Teresa. Silva Santos. The jersey number 9, Baxi. Castro may kanan ng bola. Humingi ng screen. Pumukul ng 3. Wala pa rin. Revolver. Jersey number 2. Arenas. Arenas sa mamadali. Wala naman Castro. Castro sa pader. Wala Pelino. Wala. Revolver Arenas again. To jersey number 9. Irene 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Score! Santos with side floater. That's it. 2 points. Score 36, Santos 47 in favor of Team Vultures. Teresa. Binigay kay Castro. Castro. Binigay kay Rexon. Rexon. Wala. Rebound jersey number 12. To Santos. To jersey number 9. Jersey number 9 pumukul ng press. Wala. Rebound Rexon. On the ball, substitution. Score 36-47 in favor of Team Vultures. Final Team Vultures.
Kapag kagawad. Shoutout kay Kagawad. Shoutout nga pala kay Kagawad Mark Victorio. Happy birthday.
Ay, happy birthday ka. Happy birthday ka. Happy birthday.
Thank you. October pa.
Shoutout nga pala sa YouTube channel ni Yeye TV. Please subscribe. Arenas. Utaka. Wala. Rebound. Beltran. Rosario. On jersey number 20. Blocking foul. That's the second personal foul. Sambal. 4 minutes and 42 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. number 38. Out of bounds. Good pass on the side. That's good. 2 points. Let me try.
Who's this here?
10 seconds to shoot. Arias, binigay kay Super Taka. Wala, rebound ng Ferrer. Binigay kay Mitran. Mitran ang babadali, binigay kay Ferrer. Foul on jersey number 35, Super Taka. That's her third personal foul.
Let's go, let's go. Stop. Samira, go, Samira.
Kubuan. 10 seconds to shoot. Taka pemukul yang press. Wala na pabigyan. Miguel Tokobi. That's good. 2 points. Pemutran.
37, 41.
Saka. Kubuan. Substitution.
Mamaya, doon kayo.
Abrinas. Wala, rebound. Bruan. Bruan mula pa rin. Ano ba Miguel? Bigay kay Kobe again. Kobe! That's good. 2 points by Kobe. Time Team Vultures. Score 43-47 at the Team Vultures. Time remaining 2 minutes and 17 seconds.
5.
Team Vultures wala na pagkayang time sa third quarter. Ang ball, Rosario. Tapos sa kagawad, Rene at kagawad Jay.
Sure you win this.
Jersey number 9 on jersey number 30. Binigay kay Super Taka. Still binigay kay Ferrer. To Kobe. Jersey number 20 Santos. Sumalagsa. 10 seconds to shoot. Super Taka. Wala na lang Kobe. Jersey number 35, Bachelor Clark, personal foul.
That wasn't even a double foul.
Santos peluang press, lagi pembentukan. Bola benar, bola benar, berikan ke Castro. On Santos, Santos ball. Miguel, rebound jersey number 9. Berikan ke Santos. Santos in the spin, pays away. Ini bola Mariano. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 9, bola berada di Rosario. 20 seconds. The score, 47-45, in favor of Team Wanderers. Ruang to Santos. Seconds. To shoot. Santos, bola. Rebound Serioso. Jersey number 13, Brian. That's your second personal foul. Number jersey number 12. To jersey number 18. Press bola balik. Rebound Kobe. Score 49-45 in favor of Team Poachers. Substitution left. Jersey number 20, bola remember jersey number 7. Perer berbawah dari Perer. Ini kayak Kobe. Rosario, bola. All bounds, Samba. Lalu ini ke ini. On jersey number 9. That's your first personal foul. Score 46-49. Time remaining 8 minutes. Santos mereksak ini memakai jersey number 20. Bola di luar. Dimampai Santos. Bola play. Dimampai jersey number 20. And seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Santos. Bola. Shot clock violation. Kobe minta bola. Jadi kayak Ferrer. Sudah Saxo Meister. That's good. Zafar Team Poachers. Santos. To jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. To jersey number 28. Jadi kayak Santos. Jersey number 9, bola. Disingkat bulan. Robbery violation. Santos pemain yang best. Rosario, 10 seconds to shoot. Will be spin. Foul. Foul on jersey number Santos, to jersey number 9. Binigay kay Bruan. Bruan to be discarded, binigay kay jersey number 20. Basket, 2 points for jersey number 20. Castro kay tangan na bola to be discarded. Binigay kay Miguel. 10 seconds to shoot. Rosario fade away. Wala. Chavo. Sembo. Castro deve descarte. 10 seconds to Rosario. Rosario fade away. Santos. Santos. Rebound by Nixon. Jersey number 28, dribbling the ball. Kailangan na papasapit na sa kay Bruan. Bruan sumilas na, wala. Inuwabay, wala, grabe. Rosario Taper. Miguel. Miguel yung bawal na binigay kay. Out of bounds. Time remaining, 4 minutes, 37 seconds. Score 49-54. Nixon on bounds.
Ay, sa'yo ba eh?
Jersey number 9, sumunod sa wala, hindi mo bibigay. Miguel nagbabatali. Binigay kay Castro. Castro bubukol ng pass. 3 points. How many? 4 minutes exactly. Jersey number 28 to jersey number 9. Time to shoot. Santos. 5 seconds to shoot. Santos pumukol ng press. Timeout Team Thunders.
Golden, score. 57. Shout out sa referee, si Risvilio.
Tereso. Binigay kay Miguel. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul on jersey number
13 ang sinin niya.
jersey number 13, Rowan. That's her third personal foul. And a warning for penalty. to Ferrer. Ferrer, foul on jersey number 13, Rowan. That's a fourth personal foul. Time remaining 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Score 57-53.
Marah. Hindi, pag masuk to ba eh?
Pag shoot ito, talo.
Ah, sige. Pasok ka na ba eh? Palitan mo siya na ba yun?
Tangin na. Patay na nagrasol.
Bay, palitan mo siya na ba yun? Number 12, palitan mo.
Okay, tag-isa na po ang iyong timeout. Santos. 10 seconds to shoot.
3, 2, 1.
Same ball, same ball. Same ball. Same ball. Two points on jersey number 38. Coba start dari Miguel Wah Rumah Ferrer. Substitution.
Kabay.
Askag, askag.
Score 59-53 in favor of Team Vultures. Santos to Bruin. And substitute. Santos pembukaan and pass. Wow. On jersey number 28. Penalty.
Sabi naman.
Pagod na ako ba eh? Talo kami na dyan.
Foul.
Last 2 minutes. Santos. Binigay kay jersey number 28. To jersey number 35. 10 seconds to shoot. Santos. Binigay kay Sparta.
Iray, langsung bola.
Seraso.
Iray, dalam.
Binigay kay Castro. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Shot clock violation. Team Vultures won.
Talo kayo bay.
Talo. Puta. Patay na naglason.
Jersey number 9 to jersey number 20. Santos. 10 seconds to shoot. Santos to score for target. Berlawan jersey number 9. Tutarka. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Two points by Santos. Small ball pass. Last 15 seconds.
Skor. Berapa? 51. Tatlo lang. Ay, kalau 51.